What's up, typicals? It's me, Clara, again. Yay! So today we're gonna be doing another drawing, and that's basically all. This cat is gonna be interesting because I already made it. We're just gonna try recreating it. And if you like what you see, please subscribe and like the video, please. So let's start the video. So I'm getting this paper out of my way, reaching out. I actually made two versions. I don't know which version looks better. We have this one, the R, and this one, the L. I like this one more, so we're gonna try recreating that one. Let me get my pepper. Did I say pepper? I meant paper. So I'm going to do the whole thing which you're meant to do. First up, you're meant to fold the paper into half so it doesn't look that big. If you have a smaller paper, then you don't have to do this. I'm going to take my pen like this, but you can use any pen you want. I just like this pen a lot. Let's start with the shape. You can see the shape is like long, two lines, so and then pointy ears. So we're gonna start with that. Add a line, nice thick line. Then a diagonal is the word, diagonal line. Straight line and another diagonal line, and then a straight line. Now the eyes might look difficult to make, but they're actually really easy. Make a line and another line, like this. Make sure they look good. Then make semicircles and fill in those semicircles. You can make them look big, you can make them look small. It's your decision. Also, you don't have to copy, be free. Make what makes you happy. So this is the face I'm going for. Let's add the top details, which are these lines, which are giving me pushing vibes. If you like pushings too, hit the bell, cause I just think, and like button, cause I just think pushing is adorable, and oh my god, he's so cute. Or she? Is it a he or she? Tell me in the comments. I think I forgot. Okay, let's add the little top, which is going to be the hair, but it gives me strawberry vibes on. So let me continue. Just make those eyes because they are a bit bulgy. So I'm going to start on the strawberry, which is going to be a bit harder with the bottom thing. So let's start that. Let me say something. This strawberry, do not panic if it doesn't look similar or crazy or wonky. It's important to be you, so actually you can make it a full strawberry if it's too hard for you. I just think it looks cute with it it being bit. So you don't have to make it the same, but you can try. You can do so many other things. You can make more strawberries. Actually, I'm gonna maybe even do more strawberries here. I'm actually interested to see what other people are doing. So you might, if you can, or if you might be able, please send me the picture of your Strawkitty. And it doesn't have to be a girl, because I wrote girl here. This one is a bit more squared. Yeah. So you need to make a semicircle and then close these in so it's a bit more closed. Then you need to make it all bumpy and wonky so it looks like it's bitten. This is like hard because some people, I'm going to do it on the back of this paper because I already experimented. So You might do like this, and you always might make a mistake like this. Or you might like make it perfect, but then you make the wonky thing too big or too weird. But it's okay. Accidents happen. They might not even be accidents. They might be making your picture look cuter. Do what makes you think it looks good. Oh my god, I thought I was going to sneeze, but I didn't. And now I sneezed. Great. We're going to add the little seeds, which is 5 of them. And I think we can start coloring. Oh no, we didn't add the plate. Okay, let's start coloring. I took this juicy pink because I think it's such a pretty color. Let's color it in now. Oof, Jesus. Stripe it on there. Coloring it in. Perfect. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Coloring in that cat is... Coloring in this cat is so much fun because... I'm sorry if I'm pausing sometimes because sometimes I just say words and then I like forgot what I'm going to say. So I'm sorry about that. But this pink is juicy. Ooh, I think it's a bit lighter now. I think it's this color's dying. Oh, that's sad because I like this color. Okay, next we're gonna take a green. Ooh, that was a nice click. I always like how they're clicking in there. So let's color in the stripes in green and the hair in green and the other piece of hair. I'm even gonna add a bit of highlights and a bit like this on there. That looks good. And now it's time. This is your decision. You can make it a girl or a boy. I'm making mine a girl because I'm a girl and I just think it's gonna fit my theme in here. I'm gonna make the little dots. I was trying to make these dots look like seeds, but I think I made them just like beauty marks or something, which I think looks so much cuter. I don't know. It's like makes it have personality. Okay. So now I'm gonna write it with the nicest letters I have. The problem I made here is that these letters are ugly. So let me try to make them look nice. The S is fine. T R A W. Terrible. And K I T T N Y. Why does Kitty look so cute and strong? Looks so bad. Whatever. So I have these colors, which I'm gonna use for the background. Oh my god, this tape is sticking everywhere. Ah! Wait, did I take the wrong color? Oh, these colors. And then I also have these colors. Oh, this one. Oh my god. I have so many pencils and pens in here. So I'm gonna use this yellow, but I cannot decide if I want to use this teal or this blue. I think I'm going with this pair. It looks better. Okay. Starting with putting blue around first. Don't add too much and don't add too little, so it looks like a balance. And try to make a balance with the teal and the blue while adding that. Next up, we're going with this teal. It's like a light teal. I thought teal was like a more neonish color. Like, it's neonish. But this one is like more of a light neon. Now, let's go with our yellow to get that kind of glow thing. Nice. I did this with my last video where I added this because I think it made it look so much cuter, this like glow with the last video with Carrot the Man. I wonder how you think about Carrot and the Man. I think he turned out cute. Okay, this is the result. I think I like the R thing. Tell me in the comments, do you like the L or the R more? Well, that was fun. I'll check how much time I have left. Okay, I don't have much time and it's already late. So we're gonna end the video here. In my next videos, we're gonna do more stuff, stickers, dumplings, and more. I'll show you around my desk. So that's all for today, Typicals. Bye!